guys, it's Gwyneth. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'll be finally showing you guys a tour of my dorm room. I've been pushing it off ever since like last semester just because I didn't have everything I wanted in it. So the style that I'm going for is kind of like a modern farmhouse, minimalistic type of look. So I usually get my inspiration off of Pinterest. You guys can follow me on there. I'll put it in the description box down below. So let's get started. So when you first walk in, you'll see the rug, which is a Moroccan diamond cream gray rug that I got from Rugs USA. And then over here next to the dresser, I have my trash can, which I got from IKEA. Alright, so on top of my dresser, obviously in my dresser I have all my clothes in it, but on top I have this box. Not sure where I got it from. I stole it from my sister, so I'll try to look it up. And then I also have this quote which says, "Don't just go through life, grow through life," which is my blog quote. I put it on my blog, which I'll link down below. And then I put it on this clipboard, which I got from Staples. And then over here we got a tissue box, not really important. But next to it, we have this clear quartz crystal, which I got from a New York event. And then right below it are these wooden kind of coasters, which I got from AC Moore. You can also get it from Michael's or any craft store. And then this plant over here is a pothos plant, and it's real. And it's pretty easy to take care of, which is why I still have it. So I put it in this cream flower pot, which I got from IKEA. All right, bedtime. All right, so moving on to the bed section, I have on the wall right here these two one-line prints from Etsy, and then I got the frames from IKEA. So over here on this wall, I have a clock from IKEA. Moving on to the bed, we have these two gray Euros that I got from IKEA. Both the inserts and the sheets are from IKEA. And then the actual bed sheets are also from IKEA, again. And then this lumbar gray striped pillow is from Target from the Magnolia collection by Joanna Gaines and her husband. And then this is my panda that I got from Andrew. And then we have this gray knit throw blanket that I got from Amazon. I'll link everything in the description box down below, and I'll also put it on my blog. And then I have over here just these flowers that I got from Valentine's Day. I didn't know where to put them, so I just put them on my bed. Alright, so moving on to this section of the room, I have a beautiful view of the parking garage. And I usually like to put my blinds up and let the sunlight in, if I even get any sunlight. Oh my god, you can see my car.
Wait, where is it?
Right here.
Wait, where? I'm gonna zoom in.
The blue Honda.
Blue Honda, blue Honda.
Dang, right there. So on the windowsill, I have this faux plant from IKEA. And then I also have this Himalayan salt lamp, which I don't make it into a lamp, I just like the Himalayan salt rock itself. And I got it from East Meets West from my local mall. And then I got this lucky bamboo from a school event, and I just put it in this glass jar with some pebbles. And then I got this watering can that I like to water my real plants with from AC Moore. And then I got this white mini rose plant from ShopRite, and it's a real plant, so let's see how long I can keep it alive. So moving on to this section of the room, we have this faux ivy plant, which I got from IKEA, and it's being held by this twine kind of knotted thing. Don't know what to call it, but I got it from Five Below. You can always DIY this and make it yourself. So I got this mirror from IKEA. I wanted more of a wide set mirror instead of the smaller ones you get from Walmart or Target, so I invested in this one, which has a white frame to it. And then I just put this faux plant on it from IKEA. It falls sometimes, but let's forget that. So moving on to the desk area, right next to my desk is this faux monstera plant, which I got from IKEA. So I used to have a real palm tree plant over here, but it died, so rest in peace, Pamela, if you guys watched my Instagram stories. And then also, the pot is from IKEA. I just wanted it to be a little bit more elevated. It looks shorter than this usually, so the pot gives it some elevation, if that makes sense. Alright, moving on to the wall area. I kind of DIY'd this. It's kind of like a collage that I did. And I just printed out a bunch of pictures that I liked and liked how they look together. So we got a G, we got me. The one over to the right is from my sister. She just like hand wrote it. It was from like a gift that she gave me for Christmas, so I just wanted to hang that on there. So I hung all of these printed photos with some masking tape for like the aesthetic. So on the computer chair I have this faux fur rug on it just because I don't really like how it looks by itself. And then right under it is just like some padding, also from IKEA. And then so moving on to the desk, I have this kind of phone stand, which you can get from Five Below. And then I got this mirror from Impressions Vanity, and it's an LED one, it can light up. And I like this mirror mainly because I can travel with it. It's like foldable, and it's very skinny too, if that makes sense. And then I got this black desk lamp from IKEA, of course. So behind the computer, I have this glass jar from IKEA, which I put money in, and I labeled it with this chalkboard sticker and labeled it travel, just so I can work towards traveling more, because I always wanted to travel more because I never really go anywhere. And then this cup, I got it from Marshall's, and I just put all of my pens and my most frequently used brushes in it, also my scissors. And then we have this black drawer. I believe I got it from Target, I'm not really sure, it's pretty old. And I usually just put all of my more desk stuff in here. And then right on top, I have these glass wooden jars, which I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then in this one, we have wooden pins that I don't use, just for the aesthetic. I got it from Target. We have paper clips, and then some cotton swabs when I do my makeup. So over here, we have these white book organizers, which are also from IKEA. And I just like it just because they hide my books, obviously. Let me show some books. We have this self-care guide. Sorry. We also got this crystal book, crystal Bible. Alright. Damn, so hard to put in. So in front of the book organizers, I have this clock from IKEA. It's just like an alarm clock, which I don't really use for its feature. And it matches the one that was on my wall. Did I say it's from IKEA? And then I just have this tape from Target. And then I have this citrine crystal, which I got from a New York shop. I'll try to link it down below. But I put all of the crystals that I have in my room, or that I own, on my Instagram story. I have a highlight for it if you guys want to check that out. And I put all the information, what it does, its benefits on there as well. So right under these items, I have this book by Joanna Gaines. It's the Homebody book. It's a guide to creating spaces you never want to leave. So it features a lot of like home decor, and it like gives me some inspiration on how I want to decorate my room. Alright, so in the desk I just have some more school supplies. And right under it I have my printer, and then also this wooden crate, which I actually got from my first job from Delia's because they were closing, so I just stole it from them. Alright, so moving on to the last section of the room, not very interesting, but this is just my closet, and I just covered it with this white sheer curtain from Target. And then if you guys do go to college and have a dorm room and want to hide your stuff, this is obvious, but just get like a curtain rod, that one's from Target, and just use a curtain. Duh. Alright, so I have my laundry bag, which I got from H&M. And then right next to it is this drawer from IKEA. I can do a makeup organization video, so I'm not gonna really boast or talk about this section very much. I'm just gonna skip it because I'm gonna make another video for it. Just have all my clothes, whatever. And then we have this bin from H&M. It just has all of my hair, brushes, and tools in it. And then just my bags, whatever. And then right here is another box from IKEA. I just put like my sewing fashion stuff in it, even though I don't have a sewing machine yet. And then in this small wooden crate, I got it from IKEA, and I just put all of my hair creams and hairsprays in there. Alright, and last but not least, the top shelf. I just have my stuffed animals in there. They didn't really fit in the aesthetic, so I just put them up there. If you guys watched my Sabrina Claudio concert vlog, Andrew bought this Stitch and the angel for me, and I just have my bag. Nothing really important. So that was everything in my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this dorm room tour. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!